channel. We are going to show you guys our little gift from Ford. Yay. So we just got this in the mail. I thought this was pretty cute. Now, ironic, I am filming this at a gas station while Chad goes inside to get some drinks for us. It comes with this little thing. And oh, it's a little dusty. Looks nice. It feels pretty heavy. It's just as heavy as the other one, but that's the inside of it. We're going to show you how to use it. This is the release button. Okay, I'm going to show you how to charge this and see if it's any different than the first Tesla adapter that we received. So their little message says, Dear valued Ford customer,
I want to personally thank you for being part of the Ford family and for joining the electric vehicle revolution ahead of the curve.
the fast charging adapter in this box will unlock access to thousands of Tesla Superchargers, giving you more charging options.
This gift is an expression of our appreciation for your loyalty as we continue working to improve the overall EV experience. See you on the road. Jim Farley, CEO, Ford Motor Company.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Farley.
Maybe don't park in the disabled handicap one. It's not working. Try it one more time. Question is your... Nope, it's not working. Try it everyone. Charging station. Fault seen. Starting charger. Nope. Charge again. I have no idea. Yeah,
So it says it should work on both of them.
It works. Oh, that's right. It just doesn't. It's not made to be used on the little one.
Stop charging by pressing the unlock button. Remove adapter.
That's not working.
I have no idea. I won't tell you. We can go over another couple, try another one, but I mean, I don't know. So the question is,
So does it show you on the car or on the app?
the app. You'll have a message. You should have a message in there saying charger error. It says check to make sure the charger has power. But I don't know, maybe it has something to do with your bank stuff that's set up. Maybe it's set up stupid. I have no idea. I mean, I really don't know what the deal is.
Go to public charging. Go to energy at the bottom, or click on the one you're at. Yep, yes, click. And then pick the stall you're in. No, what does it say?
Activating charger. This may take up to 2 minutes. There you go.
Who's a smart wife?
Me? Oh, me. Oh, thank you.
Uh-huh. So that's all you had to do, is hit activate.
Holy Spirit, activate, activate, activate. All right, let's go.
Okay, when you come to a Tesla charger station, Supercharger, with your new adapter, you need to go into the app first, and then pick the stall that you are at and click activate, then plug in, and it will see it and it will work. We tried 3 different stalls, and they didn't work because we didn't know that you had to activate the stall first. So, fun fact, now it works.